Okay, the first item that is here is gonna be hey guys, welcome back to a new video. You guys, guess who is back? Guys, I am back, and I am back with a mini video. Guys, I am just gonna be doing an unboxing. I just received my parcel from Temu, guys, just when I was leaving work, because today it is Friday, guys. So I got this parcel and I'm like, let me just unbox it with you because it's just this one parcel. So let's not waste any of your time. Let's get right into it. But before we get right into it, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Did you subscribe? Did you like? Did you comment? If you did all of that, ke sana wena nam best bosom friends, ke sana. Let's open it, guys. Guys, I can't even remember what I bought here. I just can't remember what I bought here. But let's find out, guys. Let's find out. Okay, the first item that is here is gonna be, what is this going? Oh, guys, I remember this one. Oh my gosh, guys, pinch me, guys. I remember this. This is a stand, like sort of a room diffuser. What, guys? Ooh, this is so tiny. Oh, guys, this is not what I expected, guys. This is so tiny. Oh my god. Oh, this is so tiny. This, yabo, bese iwukwa apha ke sana, then ufake i-perfume yakho or whatever scent ofuna ukuthi inuke endlini yakho, and then you get your candle here, and then you burn it, and then the whole house, guys, it's gonna be having a fresh aroma. Guys, I'm so excited. Wow, this is so cute, guys. Just imagine this, guys, when I'm having a coffee table. Is it a coffee table? But you get the vision, guys. Unayomos a vision. Woo, guys, I am so excited. Yo, the order, guys, if it gets so early. I didn't even expect it to be this early, guys. And then I also got myself this pajama. It's pajamas, guys, but they look big. I wish they're gonna fit me, guys. Oh, guys, they're so cute. Look at the material, guys. But the material doesn't feel... the texture, guys, is not so good. But this is what I ordered. This is the top, guys. La phansi ke uyayibona ukuthi into see-through. Yabo? It's a see-through la phansi. Then lana, because, guys, my breast has fallen, guys, so I always need something to support my boobs, guys. So that's why I bought this thing. So this thing is, and then I also bought this. This is a short. The reason I bought medium, guys, it's because sometimes the top is like, it's a good fit, ne? But when it comes to the short is analyzwapi. So hence I bought medium. This is medium, and it looks nice because it's Asian sizes, guys. But the top, I don't know, it looks big, but the bottom, I think it's gonna fit me, guys. I think it's gonna fit me. I love it. I love it for me. Then I bought the other one. So it was just 3 items, guys. I bought the other pajama here. So it's gonna be super short, this video, guys. I bought this one. Whoa, guys, it's and it's medium, guys. And what is this, guys? Oh, but it's so super cute, guys. It's so dope. I sent sana. Yo, guys, I can't wait to fit it. Nansi ke ngoku i-bottom yakhona. Yebo. I-bottom yakhona. Look at it. Like ezansi, it's just a simple detail. Ezansi, yebo, nansi. And then the top, I love this detail. Oh guys, I love it. Le ngathi andazi ngathi za shirt zasecaweni zomakhulu or something, yabo. I love this detail and these shiny things, yabo. My beads, these beads that are here, I love them, guys. Look at this. Oh guys, this is so beautiful. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you did enjoy the video as much as I enjoyed filming it, guys. And I also hope you will get your hands in one of these items, whether in this pyjama or on this one, or either maybe you like the house stuff, which is gonna be this diffuser, like the home diffuser. You just want to get your home smelling fresh, baby. Anyway, guys, I hope you did not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Till next time, you guys. Love you loads. With God's love never fails. Bye.